Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch someone's story on Snapchat without them knowing. What's great about this as well is you could also screen record or screenshot if you would like to without them knowing. It doesn't give them any kind of notification or anything like that. Now, what you have to do is you have to make your way over to the Snapchat application. So go ahead and do that. Once you're on Snapchat, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly the account that I'm using right here. Doesn't have any story views as of right now. So you see that there's no story views whatsoever right now. So I'll go ahead and switch to my main account and then I'll show you guys how to do the process of watching a story without them knowing. Once you're on your account, you just want to find a story that you want to watch without them knowing. So I'll just use my account as the example that I just showed you guys as no views. Now, first things first, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have airplane mode on at this point. So just make sure you have airplane mode on and Wi-Fi and cellular is turned off just like this. Once this is done, you guys can just go out of here and go ahead and click on the story that you want to watch. And you can go ahead and screenshot if you would like to, exit out of there. And now what you want to do is exit out of the Snapchat application and just totally delete it from your phone. So I'm going to go ahead over to Snapchat and remove it from my phone just by deleting the application, just like that. Now what you want to do is you want to turn on your cellular connection and Wi-Fi again, so you can just unclick the airplane mode. Then you can head over to the App Store. And what you want to do now is just simply re-download Snapchat. So let's go here, search for Snapchat, re-download it. And we'll just give it a second to download and fully install my phone. And then we can go ahead and re-sign in to our accounts. And once it's done here, I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to sign back into the account that I showed you guys originally at the start of the video that showed no views, just to show you guys that this still shows no views after we've screen recorded it and screenshotted it. So I'll just go ahead and log back in. And once you've logged back in, you can go ahead and see right here that there's no views on the story, even though we screenshotted it and screen recorded it. So it does work great in 2021. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to watch stories secretly without them knowing whatsoever. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and tricks into the future. Thanks for watching.